Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming essentials so the process runs smoothly. Sign into your Google account first because Slides lives in your account space and needs permissions. Once done, open a modern browser. Chrome is fastest for compatibility, and update it to the latest release to avoid rendering bugs. Then navigate to the Google Apps grid and choose Slides. This creates your workspace. You're now ready to create or access presentations, and these initial steps prevent access errors later. Now decide whether to run Slides online or make a local app-like shortcut. If you prefer a desktop experience, install Slides as a progressive web app from Chrome's menu. That gives windowed mode and quick launch. For offline editing, open Drive settings and enable offline. This syncs recent files to your PC so you can work without internet. Make sure to set Drive as your default save location and confirm sharing permissions, because saving and collaboration behaviors depend on those settings. Finish by opening or creating a presentation and selecting a theme, because that sets layout and fonts for consistent design. If you need a local copy, use File, Download, then choose PPTX or PDF. That ensures compatibility with other apps. Save periodically and use version history to revert changes. If Slides fail to load, clear the browser cache, disable conflicting extensions, or open in an incognito window. These steps remove corrupted data or extension.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.